In coastal life, meals are often simple, direct, and deeply connected to the environment. Fresh fish, prepared immediately after being caught, becomes the centerpiece of a dish that is both refreshing and satisfying. Kinilaw transforms the fish using vinegar, chili, and fresh ingredients, enhancing its natural flavor while keeping its texture clean and vibrant. Paired with rice, the bold acidity and spice are balanced, creating a meal that is both comforting and energizing. Eaten right here at the shore, this kind of meal reflects the essence of sea-to-stomach living. It is about freshness, simplicity, and the everyday joy of enjoying seafood where it comes from, a true taste of island life in every bite.
Dapat ko dito sa Bures Island. Mamala akong bakasyon dre. Bilaya ko dre kay tungod sa lamian nga kilawon dre. Dasan kayo. Walang buga po. Dali. First class mga isda dali. Puro orange.